Here you see the Nespresso coffee machine. To operate, make sure that it's plugged in and the main switch is on. Pour the water here in the lid. Press this button to turn on. When you see it blinking, it means that the Nespresso machine is still not ready, but when it stops, it's good to go. To open, twist this lever right here. We'll see it's unlocked. Again, twist to the right. Blow the capsule inside to close and lock the coffee machine. Press this button right here. Once it starts brewing, you will see the coffee coming out here. When you're done, you can unlock and remove the capsule and turn off the coffee machine by pressing this button right here and remove the plug